Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on end-to-end encryption on Messenger. So first of all, you need to download Messenger, sign in or sign up with your account. Next, you will go enter the Messenger. You're going to click at the top left right here. You're going to see the multiple options. You're going to click on your next to your avatar and name the gear icon. And next, you will go to privacy and safety. Next, you will see the security section, which is end-to-end encryption chats. You will see it in front of you. You're gonna click and you're gonna see two options, security alerts and logins. As security alerts, you can see when someone's security keys change. You're gonna just go right here and we're gonna turn on contacts keys change. Next, if you want to see the login, see where you can send message and receive end-to-end encrypted messages and call by just clicking, and you're gonna see this kind of devices that allows you to receive end-to-end encryption. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.